Hi guys, welcome back to ASAP. So in today's video we are going to see about how to use keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. So in this third part we are going to see about navigation functionality and application functionality. First, our prerequisite is to enable the keyboard shortcuts. So once again we are going to go to Agaya icon, then see all settings. Under the general tab we are going to search for keyboard shortcuts. So we saw keyboard shortcut, and in here we have to click on keyboard shortcuts on. We have to scroll down and we have to click on save changes. Once we have enabled keyboard shortcut, we can see its dialog using shift and question mark. So in here we can see the keyboard shortcut as well as their functionalities. So starting with the navigation functionality, so let's suppose if I want to go to next page. So this is my current page. I can see here 1 to 50 of 342, and if I want to go to my next page, I have to press G plus N. So I am going to my next page, which is 51 to 100, and if I want to go to my previous page, I have to press G plus P, and I'm going to my previous page in here. So let's suppose if my mail is open, and if I want to go to back to thread list, I have to just press U. So I'm going to back to my thread list. So let's suppose if I want to start a newer conversation, I have to press K. So in here, as you can see, the mail has get highlighted, and if I want to go to my older conversation, I have to press J. So in here we can see highlighter is coming down, again J, and if I want to again go for newer conversation, again K, the highlighter is going up. If I want to open any conversation, so I have selected this conversation, YouTube creators, I have to just press O or enter, and I am inside that conversation. And if I want to go to back to thread list, I have to press U here. And let's suppose if I want to go to next inbox section, so in here I can see the inbox section such as primary, promotion, social and updates. If I want to go to next inbox section, I have to press this icon, and I am going to next section, again pressing the same social updates. And if I want to go to my previous inbox section, I have to press tilde. So I'm just going to press the tilde button here, and again tilde previous inbox section, again tilde the previous inbox section. So this is how we are going to use the navigation functionality. And let's suppose if I want to use the application functionality, and in the application functionality we are going to see how to use the keyboard shortcuts in Gmail for compose. So for composing any email, I just have to press C. So my composition window open here, and let's suppose this is my main window and I have to compose in a new tab. So for that I have to press D. A new tab opens in here and the composition window separately opens. Once again going back to my main window, if I want to search any email, I have to press /. In here I can see that in the search mail cursor is appearing, and I can search anything and press enter. This is how I can use the search mail keyboard shortcut. So let's suppose if I want to search chat contacts, I have to press Q. A window opens here and I can see the chat contacts here. Let's suppose if I want to use the more section menu, so I can just go inside any email, and if I want to use the more action menu, I have to click on dot or period. So more action menu appears. If I want to use the move to menu, I can just press on V. The move to menu appears. If I want to use label as menu, so I can just click on L. And if I want to ask for any keyboard shortcut help, I can just press my regular keyboard shortcut, which is shift plus question mark in here. So this is how we are going to use the application as well as navigation functionality for the keyboard shortcuts in email. Let's suppose if I want to customize any keyboard shortcuts, so for that we have to change any default keyboard shortcut which is present in the Gmail. There is also functionality for that. First of all, we have to turn on the custom keyboard shortcuts. So for that we have to go to our setting icon again. Then we have to go to our see all settings. In see all settings we have to go to advanced. In advanced we have to go to custom keyboard shortcuts. As the option was disabled, we have to click on enable and we have to click on save changes. We will wait till it is asking to reload. After that, once it gets reloaded, then we can change our keyboard shortcuts. So for that, again I have to go to my gear icon. In the gear icon I have to click on see all settings. After going to see all settings, I have to click on keyboard shortcuts, which is the option present here, and in here I can change the keyboard shortcut option as and whatever I want based upon my preferences. And after doing that, I have to just click on save changes. So this is how we can customize the keyboard shortcuts that are already present in the Gmail. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.